Okay, you guys, we're back again, and on this video we're going to be cleaning this dirty engine. This nasty, filthy engine. Hold up, let me put this light on. This nasty engine. See all that? We're gonna make this thing nice. And then we gotta take some, and then so the plan is we're gonna take, I think I'm getting someone's a sponsor. I'll do all the sponsors in the last video, or when I get the products. Sponsor sending over a custom clutch cover. I'm getting the water pumper antifreeze pump. This is gonna go to Hillsborough and get powder coated. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the head. Right now I might get a racing head. Gonna get the 2 power valves powder coated. And I think I'm gonna get this powder coated too. I'm not gonna tell you guys the color, it's just gonna have to be surprised. And then I think I might get the clutch or ignition cover powder coated too, as along with it. And then I think I'm gonna have the things I don't powder coat on the frame, like the cylinder and the main case. I'm gonna have those polished. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Next clip you see me hosing down with degreaser and everything. And yeah. Okay, you guys, the camera died, and as you can see, clean up a little bit, but I'm gonna wipe it down real quick and see what I can do. If not, I'll just have to take it apart like that. Okay, you guys, so bad news. This is not good. I just pulled the power valve cover off, and as you can see, there is a loose bolt right there. This is not good. I'm gonna go back to the time lapse and see if where that went. I'm pretty sure it's just the one to hold the power valves together, but okay, update on that. That was just a loose screw for the seal. There's actually 2 other ones that are loose too, and there's only 3, so all of them either they were loose or falling off. So yeah, I think the next one I'm gonna take off. I might take off the stator or the ignition cover. I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to drain the oil. I gotta go. I gotta find a way how to do that. Probably just take it outside and put a pan under it. Should be good. Okay, you guys, you can see that oil is disgusting. I swear I changed it literally like, I don't know, like not even a month ago. Then I wrote it like 1 or 2 times. I think what I'm gonna do, because it's so nasty, I think I'm just gonna flush it. I'm gonna go put another one through it. I'm only gonna probably put 400 milliliters or milliliters into it. It takes 700. I'm just gonna strain it like that though. All right. Okay, you guys. Luckily, I only had to do one. It's already coming out nicely. Well, that's good. Only had to do one time. It's getting better. That's just disgusting. Gray, thick oil. It was like chunking out. I'm just happy there's no metal shavings. That would have been a bummer. Spill a little bit right there. But now I think I'm going to take off a few more parts for them to get powder coated. I think I'm gonna get these two right here. I'm not gonna do the Kickstarter just because. Yeah, I'm gonna do these two right here. The clutch cover and the I forgot what this is called. I'm gonna get this Kickstarter Kickstarter. That's not gonna get powder coated because I heard that it just chips too easily. And then you guys will have to see all the colors and stuff I'm gonna do. It's almost done. And then, yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so I had to replace the paper towel right there because some oil got on there when I was trying to tranny flush it or gear flush the oil or yeah, oil flush it, gear oil or whatever. But now I'm gonna take this clutch off and yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pull off this clutch cover right now, and I want to make sure you guys like and subscribe. To keep making these videos, and yeah. Alright, I just finished taking both these covers off, and I think I'm going to get into the gonna take the head off and take the cylinder off, see how the cylinder's looking, see how the piston's looking, see if I need to replace the crank, and yeah, I just gotta wait for those this one I'm getting powder coated. I'm getting the ignition cover, water pump cover, power valve, the other power valve cover, the clutch arm, and I'm getting the clutch cover, power valve, not power valve, what? Powder coated. If I said power valve, I meant to say powder coat, but and then the I forgot what that's called again. Yeah, those. And I'm just gonna start ripping in this engine real quick and see how it goes. Hopefully we don't have to replace the crank. I'm gonna replace the top end either way. And yeah, hopefully don't have to replace the crank. You'll see that in the next video, me taking the cylinder and head off, and yeah. Alright, I just got done taking the head off. As you can see, in the piston does not actually look that bad. You can see there, I can see through it. You can obviously see it's got some wear on it, but yeah, a lot of wear. That's just carbon buildup. And then I think I'm gonna replace it, but it's not that bad of a piston, to be honest. I can see there's camera might not focus, but right there's like a little thing right there. You can see through it. It's loose compression, but other than that, I'm surprised there's no metal shavings and anything really. Super happy about that. Just go look at the crank, take out this power valve, and yeah. Alright, you guys, here we're gonna take the top end off. Just wait. Alright, there it is. First thing I know is I thought the crank was wiggly because you heard that knocking noise, but it's actually, I think the circlip got burned up in here. Look at that. It's not supposed to go like that. And that's not even the crank. I'm holding the crank still. That's just the piston and the circlip. It's not supposed to do that. Alright, I'm gonna check the crank right now. I'll put you guys back on time lapse. Alright, you guys, I'm back, and I didn't have the case, but I couldn't get it in time, so I took it to my buddy had a case splitter. He got this for me. He got it split for me. All I just gotta do is just get this crank off from the left side of the case. I'm going to be taking the transmission out right now, popping the seals off and everything, getting everything so I can clean this case up. And yeah, put you guys on the time lapse. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I got all the the whole motor apart, case is split and everything. So now I'm just going to, I know this is a long video, it's probably like, I think probably 18-20 minutes, but thank you guys for watching. And the next video should be cleaning. I'm going to clean these cases, probably drop the bearing, show you how to video about that. Got the transmission right here. And then, yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you don't miss a video. There should be, hopefully this video will probably come out on Monday. Hopefully the next video will come out on Monday. And comment what kind of parts you think I should put on this thing. Hoping to go all out on this thing. I'm rebuilding. I'm not rebuilding. I'm sending this crank off the OEM. It's an OEM crank. Getting that rebuilt by someone. And I think I'm gonna get the cylinder vapor honed in the two cases, but I might not. I might just use some Scotch-Brite and fine it up like Cameron does, if you guys haven't watched him before. And yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.